I read an amazing transcript the other day. Bernstein held an investor conference, and among the companies they invited were Exxon, Mobil, and Chevron, America's two biggest energy companies. We've been puzzled for a long time that oil prices aren't higher. Sure, they've moved up since we attacked Iran, but it seems to us that safe passage through the Strait of Hormuz will never be quite as assured as in the past. Iran has discovered they have more power to disrupt shipping than anyone thought, including them. The world's greatest navy can only partially stop drones and missiles from threatening ships in the Persian Gulf. You can buy insurance and the US can escort your ship through the strait, but if there's a chance your ship will be hit, however unlikely, ship owners just don't want to take the risk. They're risk averse, not willing to bet that their ships will probably be safe, and if not, they'll get money. They just don't operate that way. So it has seemed to us that while normal shipping will at some point resume, it'll be when Iran is ready. And even then, it won't be the same, because Iran will retain the threat of disruption, which is easily done given their location. So at this Bernstein conference, the CEO of Chevron, Mike Wirth, and one of the two SVPs at Exxon, Neil Chapman, both said they think there's a realistic chance oil could hit $150 per barrel within a couple months. They point out that stocks of oil have been drawn down to the lowest levels ever seen. They note that a lot of Venezuelan and Russian crude that was at sea and subject to sanctions has been delivered and helped make up the shortfall. Because of this, they think oil could go up. A lot. This wasn't a news headline, and maybe the algorithms that jump on everything President Trump says don't examine these transcripts so closely. But it seems to me that if Exxon and Chevron think oil might go much higher, that's a bit more important than the president's daily promise that negotiations are going well and that Iran wants a deal.
We're at a point we're going to come out of Iran very quickly, and it's going to be very strong, one way or the other, whether it's a piece of paper or the very tough way, okay? The very tough way is maybe the easier way.
The oil companies have more information than anyone else about the oil market. $150 in a month or two. I expect if it happens, they'll do pretty well. It seems to me that markets are not pricing that in. If you're interested in learning more about the energy sector and interest rates, then don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter. Our handles are in the description box below. To find out more about what we're thinking, you can sign up for our weekly blog at sl-advisors.com. If you have any questions you'd like answered in this video, then please leave them down below. I'm Simon Lack. Thank you for watching this video.